guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video we're gonna be doing another baking video, but the gist about this is that we are gonna be cooking sambusa with no meat. So this can be called the sambusa crust. That is what we're gonna be baking. This is actually my second time doing this, so let's hope this time I do it better and I do it nice. So we're gonna hope it's good, it's yummy, it's tasty, everything chef's kiss. Without further ado, don't forget to like and subscribe, and let's get started. Okay guys, so first of all I'm going to be showing you the ingredients that you need to make the dough, because we're not going to be making any meat. So first of all we're going to need a pot, we're going to need all-purpose flour, we are going to be needing some salt and oil, and to finish off we're going to be needing some clean water. So let's get started with the dough. So here I'm gonna be doing the dough, but before I start I would like to say disclaimer. You can use 3 cups of flour, but then if you have those small cups, which I do not, so I'm going to be using this white one, and I guess it will be 3, like the first one will be here, the second one will be here, and the third one will be here. So I'll be doing 2 times, so I'll show you guys. We're gonna be putting 3 cups, as I said. So this, like, we're gonna put a half of this cup first of all. So this, I believe, is the first half, 1/2, and then I would put the second half and the third half, because you have to put 3 cups of the second half and the third half. Wait, does this look like a half? Okay, I feel like that's enough. So after I'm done, I'm going to be taking my salt, and I'm gonna put a teaspoon of this salt, because I didn't want to put a lot of guys, that is so bad. Don't put too much, just like, I think this is enough. Yes, then you can mix it. So now we're gonna be adding the water. So it is very preferable to do 30 milliliters of water. If you put the full 3 cups, it is very advisable, because we're trying to make the sheet here of the, like, of the dough. So here's what I'm gonna do. You first of all gonna have to separate this, and then you put little water, and then you just do this. You see guys? After doing this, you put it aside. Then you add other little water, like add a small amount of water, and then I put it aside too. Then I do the other one, I do little, and after I'm finished I just put it aside. You see, I'm just trying to make the shit here. And then I do here, I do little, and then you see, I just put it aside.
A few minutes later.
So after leaving the dough to rest for 10 minutes, here's the next step that we're gonna do. namurebaga kuva kera. Aho ndigishwe ntibagiye gushyiraho amavuta. Tugiye guhita nka mama biro tudushwe. Nka mama biro ya Jeanne aranshimisha. Ngo nukuntu hano wahangaga.
Ninde wahangaga? Wowe?
Jew. After making it be flattened, we're going to take each part and then we put oil, sets, and then we're gonna stick them together and cook them. Here's what we're gonna do. So you're gonna take one sheet of it like this, and then you're gonna take your spoon and put oil. You put enough oil so that you can know how to spread them, because you're gonna be sticking them with everything like this. And then you take another sheet like this and then you put it up. Guys, see what I'm doing? You put it up. And then we put oil again. You have to put enough oil, because if it's not enough, then it's gonna stick and then we're not gonna find a way to separate them again. So as you're done, here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put oil like on the up ones. I'm gonna have to put oil, and then I will turn it again like this and put oil down too. So I'm gonna do the same thing. And that is done. So after you finish, let's put this aside. You're gonna have to take this one and flatten it, but very slowly, so it can become like a big chapati. That's what I can say. Don't press too hard, or it will be hard like to remove it. So if the first one is done, we're gonna put this pan, and then we're gonna put, what is it called? The big chapati. So we put it, why I decided to use this one is because I needed like low heat, and this is at a very, very nice low heat. So I have to be, so I have to be checking on it every 2 minutes. We don't have to let it fry, guys. We do not need to let it fry. It does not have to fry. It just has to be that hot. So that's what I'm gonna do. And yeah. Don't let it be that hot. Don't let it like, And that is it for the first one. Time for the second one. And as I do this, I have adult supervision. Don't worry, guys. So this is what it should look like. It should not look like it's cooked that much, but then you should also, because of the oil, it's very able to be separated. And this is the big one, the cool one. So yeah, let's go to the next step.
mwebwe muhagarare mwige gukora ibi bintu by'inuza bya mushwataye kera ubutaha niwe uzakora urumva atari bizakunanire mite.
So guys, as we are done, we're gonna be taking one of these. So you guys, you see, I'm gonna show you the way we're gonna take the full thing first of all, and then we're gonna cut it in half. So after cutting it in half, we're gonna stay with one half first of all and cut it into 2 pieces again. So we have this, right? We have this, guys, but remember what I told you, we're gonna take a small thing. So it's like this, the triangle. You have to see how you wanna do it. So you would do this, and then you put on the mixture, and then you close again. And then if we had some fillings, we should have been putting them in here, but we do not. So what we're gonna do is, after mixing those two, we're gonna take our mixture, we put it up here, and we close it. And that is one thing. So we're gonna keep going on like that, and like that, and like that.